Hey guys, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today I'm going to show you how to zest an orange. Let's go. So here I have a zester that I use to make little spirals. And you can make them as short or as long as you like. Once you stop, it'll make new. So these are pretty long. But if you wanted to make them shorter, you could go like this and stop. And then you'll have a shorter swirl. So however you want to do those. And then you have these nice little ribbons. Then we have a microplane. This is my favorite way to zest an orange. You just rotate the orange, or you could also just kind of rub it across it. And then what I love about this is you just take all of that zest and then you have a ton of zest to put into your recipes. And then if you don't have a microplane, you could also just take a box grater and then just rub the orange onto the box grater. I like to use the medium side, so it has 3 different sides. We're not going to use the slicing, so that's the 4th side, but there's a large grate, a medium grate, and a fine grate. We're going to use the medium. And then you want to be careful not to go too deep. So this is the pith of the orange. If you go too deep, this is going to be very bitter. So you want to just get off this color until it's like that. So we'll just go like this. And then you can take your hand and put it in, and then you have that. You could even use a spatula to get it if you don't want to put your finger in there. So I always zest all of my oranges. I buy organic citrus because there's a lot of nasties in the zest, in the skin. So if we're going to be eating the skin, especially zesting it, I like to make sure that our produce is organic. Then I could just take any orange that I was going to juice or we were going to enjoy, and then I could just take this beautiful zest and put it into the freezer. Now this orange is perfectly good still. We could just cut this up and still enjoy this. You can still use it for your recipes, or you could just use it for snacking. There is nothing wrong with this orange. It's still completely edible, and then you have some beautiful zest as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to zest an orange. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon with another delicious recipe or tip. Bye guys.